On July 9th, President Joe Biden signed an executive order to promote competition in the American economy. The executive order established what is being called a whole-of-government effort to promote competition in the American economy. It acknowledges that anti-competitive practices across industries have driven up prices. In fact, the order includes 72 initiatives by more than a dozen federal agencies to promptly tackle some of the most pressing competition problems across the economy. And what's included includes some healthcare related pieces, which is why we're talking about it here. First, the executive order directs the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services to standardize plan options in the federal health insurance marketplace so people can comparison shop. It also directs the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services to lower prescription drug prices. Also asks that hearing aids be sold over the counter at drugstores. It cracks down on companies that are gathering personal information, also makes some broadband services more affordable, and restores net neutrality rules. It also tackles hospital mergers and pricing. In the order, it encourages the Justice Department and the Federal Trade Commission to review and revise their hospital merger guidelines. It underscores that hospital mergers can be harmful to patients. It directs the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services again to support existing hospital price transparency rules, and directs the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services to finish implementing bipartisan federal legislation to address surprise hospital billing. So what's next? Well, there are moving parts here. There are timelines established for each action in the order. For example, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services has to consider issuing a proposed rule on allowing hearing aids to be sold over the counter within 120 days. But they only have 45 days to issue a comprehensive plan to combat high drug prices. We will stay tuned as some of these deadlines approach. And the administration says this action will lower prices for families, increase wages for workers, promote innovation, and even faster economic growth. In the description below, more on that executive order coming out of the White House. And like we said, we will stay tuned as some of those deadlines start to approach.